Hello, my beloved audience. Let's see top news. President Draupadi Murmu hold talk with Angolan President. President Draupadi Murmu held bilateral talks with her Angolan counterpart João Lourenço in Luganda. Earlier, she was accorded a grand ceremonial welcome and guard of honor at the presidential palace in Luganda upon arrival. The two leaders held comprehensive talk aimed at deepening the multifaceted partnership between India and Angola. During the discussion, President Murmu emphasized the importance of expanding cooperation across a wide range of the sector that reflect both nations shared a prioritize and comprehension complementaries. She highlighted potential collaboration in areas such as sharing of the parliamentary best practices, agriculture, especially in seeds and fertilizer, oil explorations and refining, connectivity and transport infrastructure, rare earth minerals and diamond processing. The president underscored India's the specific expertise in several of these dimensions and conveyed India's the readiness to work closely with the Angola in harnessing these opportunities for mutual growth and prosperity. She also placed a strong focus on capacity building and training, digital public infrastructure, defense cooperation, and reform of United Nations Security Council UNSC. Applauding the Angola's commitment to the sustainable development, President Murmu congratulated the country for joining two major global initiatives led by the India, the Global the Biofuel Alliance and the International Big Cat Alliance, underscoring Angola's prospective role in addressing global environmental and biodiversity challenges. The two sides are scheduled to sign and exchange several memoranda of understanding MOU to the formalize cooperation in the identified sectors. In her the press statement, the president said she was a very to be in Luganda on the occasion of 15th anniversary of independence of Angola. She extended wishes to Angola from